It looks like we have a new update, for the Mavic 3. They talked about doing some updates, firmware updates in January. And here it is, December the 9th, and it looks like already we've got a firmware update. I'll tell you what's new in this. It's going to be master shots, hyperlapse, and focus track are now available on the DJI Mavic 3. Update to the latest aircraft firmware version to use these features. Added support to shoot in RAW format, only available on the DJI Mavic 3. Added support to adjust EXP settings. Fixes certain issues and optimizes overall app quality. Alright guys, let's do the update. Okay, let's click install. Alright, and we click update. Okay, this is DJI Mavic 3 version 01.00.0400. It's 376.93 megabytes. Added focus track, master shots, and time lapse. Added RAW only photo format. Reduced video recording noise for ProRes of Mavic 3 Cine. I don't have to worry about that one. I don't have the Cine. Reduced occasional vibration of aircraft arms in some scenarios. Improved return to home performance. We definitely have to check that out. Improved obstacle avoidance performance. Wow. Improved hover stability. It fixed an issue with some computers that could not connect to the aircraft via USB. It fixed issues of normal color appearing in some scenarios. Okay. And it fixed some bugs for the remote controller. Boy, this is pretty exciting, guys. We're DJI's not making us wait till January. This is really cool. I guess this weekend we're gonna have to test some of these things out. Oh, this is great. Okay, we're at 11%. Okay, it's around 10 o'clock in the evening right now, so we're going to get this update done, and hopefully on the weekend we're going to be able to test out some of these features and show you guys what the Mavic 3 can do. And I just want to mention, guys, that one thing you might want to do is make sure your battery is fully charged whenever you're doing these firmware updates, because you never know how much battery power you're actually going to need for that particular firmware update. Today we're at 95%. Alright. Firmware installed. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.